Hi, my name is DAFFA ALFARIZI and my friend.
My name is WAHRIYANDI.
We are from class 11 like picture engineering. We will make a video on how to use a ring key properly and correctly.
Follow the video.
Tools 1. Ring spanner. 2. Bolts or nuts. 3. Wear pack or protective clothing. 4. Safety shoes. 1. First of all, prepare a ring wrench tool. First look at the size of the nut or bolt. 2. After that, adjust it to the size of the key ring spanner. 3. And install the ring spanner wrench directly onto the bolt. Next 4. Position it upright so you don't miss it easily. And last 5. Then turn it to the right to tighten the knot. If it can be turned, it means it's tight. Meanwhile, if you turn it left, it loosens the nut. That's how to use a ring spanner wrench. Thank you.
Finally, the bolt is installed and removed correctly.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope our video is useful. See you.